What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carpenter Rich, back again with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna I'm gonna get some exhaust clips of the Infiniti, so y'all can hear this exhaust. Downshift, we're gonna be playing with that. We're gonna be playing with that manual. Playing with that manual mode, y'all. So we're gonna see what that thing do. Someone trying to act up. But yeah, we in downtown Mexico right now, so we finna get it lit. I'll roll down my window too so y'all can hear from here. I also got the GoPro in the back, so I'll be putting in little clips of that, you know, so y'all can hear it like that too. So I can't get enough of that. I can't get enough of that VQ, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. That VQ be sounding nice. Let me make sure my camera on real quick, y'all. I can't get enough for that. No, I can't. Let's roll down all the windows. He was confused. Y'all hear that? Like, come on, bro. Like, that resonator delete, man. That resonator delete something else. That adds like a whole nother sound to your car. For sure, for sure. And then it goes quiet like that. So if y'all interested in like having a resonator delete, it's not always loud, but it can get loud. It can get loud though. how quiet it like kind of got? Like it's like straight like you wouldn't even expect this car to be that loud. Like you look at it on the outside, you be like, nah, it ain't coming from that car. What car is coming from? Oh, it is coming from that car. That's clean. That was a good one right there. Man, this is crazy. At a light, one time at a light, I'm gonna have to rev it and then see if someone look at me, see if they look crazy. Let's roll the windows up and I'm gonna show y'all how it sound like inside the cabin while the windows rolled up. So of course it's super loud on the outside, you already know that, but it kind of quiets it down though too when you roll the windows up. So if you don't want to, you know, if you want to kind of take a break from listening to it, I don't. But if you do, then just roll all your windows up, and if you play loud music, man, you're not gonna really hear it like that no more. But it's super duper loud on the outside though, for sure. So yeah, y'all, I hope this video is helping y'all make up your decision on if you want to do a resonator delete on your car. I say go ahead and do it, because it really opens it up more, opens it up better. You know what I'm saying? Makes the car sound a whole lot better if you ask me. So I say go ahead and do it, you know? Why not? I think I'll rev it when we come to a light or something, and then we'll go ahead and end this video. Go ahead and end this video. We'll do a rev with the windows down, or we'll do a rev with the windows up. Oh, perfect. At the light right now, so we'll see. Let's see. Let's put it in neutral. Let's rev it with the windows up. That's with the windows up. Let's do it with the windows down. So yeah, y'all get the point. Hopefully that helps you guys with you know, making your decision on if you want a resonator delete. I'll say, like I said before, like I just said it, I say go for it. You know, if you don't like it, if it's too loud, then you can always put it back on. You ain't gotta worry about that. I know I made a video with the resonator delete, so if y'all want to watch that process, it's like a little vlog, so go ahead and check that out. And also did some flybys at the end of the video from outside the car, and I did one inside the car, but this one is more detailed POV. So, and also I have that GoPro on the outside, so I'm pretty sure y'all was seeing that too. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and give it a like, please. Go ahead and subscribe right now if you haven't yet. Let's turn my channel up. Let's go on one, and maybe we could do a little bit, maybe we do one more pull. We'll do do one more pull when I get to that certain area. Since we at the red light, and then we out.
Yeah, I'm talking about it, John.
What it sound like to have resonator delete on the Infiniti G37. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, go ahead and like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.